Deep in the heart of modern industrial complexes, where steel and light meet, a silent journey takes place every day. This is where pure water begins its transformation into one of the world's most beloved carbonated drinks, Pepsi.
In the deepest levels of the plant, where every Pepsi journey begins, the water treatment operates like a giant laboratory. Every molecule of water is purified, almost returning to its original state.
Carbonation. The water is cooled close to freezing, creating the ideal conditions for COC to dissolve under high pressure. The strapping machine and laser scanning system are then tested for tightness. From ordinary waters to iconic products, all wrapped up in a process that combines science, technology, and absolute precision. Thank you for being with us on this journey. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to support us.